How's jail?
Don't like it.
Sucks, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. It's supposed to suck. It's not there for you to have fun. Only thing you got to do is show up. And when you fail to show up.
And there it is, the classic judge warning. Miss one court date, and boom, your bond skyrockets. Viewers, do you think the system is too strict here, or is this just tough love?
The only thing that happens, your bond goes higher and higher and higher. And now, because you continually fail to show up, I can't trust you to do things on your own. So that's why we got you here now. You've got a bulldog fighting for you now to try to get you the best thing you can get. I don't know what's going on with your case now, but Trinidad, how long you want?
3 weeks, so I can get, so they can, with whatever's transitioning with this.
So is
Logan's on the case, but
Logan, is discovery complete on Mr. Perry's case?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll try to re-record this afternoon.
Okay. You want two?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, sometimes these things take time, but got to understand Rome wasn't built in a day. Next time, show up. Good things happen when you do. Thanks. Well, there's a bond set, but I'm not giving him a PR bond. He don't show up.
Understand.
Yeah. Okay. How old are you?
18.
Why did you miss court?
Because I wake up late. I didn't put the timer.
Not a good thing, Miss Useda.
Oh.
Have you ever played Monopoly?
No.
You never played Monopoly?
Nope.
Hey, where are you living, under a rock?
No.
Did you catch that Monopoly analogy? Judges love these reality checks. But this get-out-of-jail-free card warning is no joke. One more slip-up, and he's done.
I haven't played the game.
Okay. In the game, you go around the board, and if you roll the wrong dice, you go to jail. However, every once in a while, you can get out of jail free card. This is the only one that you're going to get. I don't care what's going on. If you miss court again, you will go to jail, and I won't let you out again. You will not get any more get out of jail free cards. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay. I'm sending you for a drug test now. I want to see that you're clean.
I did a drug test.
You're going to do another one.
Okay.
Come back, and then we'll meet with Mr. Slider to figure out what we're going to do, man.
Yes, sir.
If you leave,
No.
I'm going to make your bond really high. And you will not be getting out.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Slider.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Robles, you're now charged with 2 cases. You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're also charged with criminal trespass. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 15 days in jail on the DWI with 5 days credit. Understand, as part of this agreement, the criminal trespass will be dismissed. You now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 priors on your record. One thing after the other. If now the DWI is going on your record. If you ever get pulled over in a car, do you think any officer is going to be nice to you? Do you think they're going to search you the minute they pull you over? Do you think they're going to harass you? I guarantee all 3 things are going to happen to you anytime you're in a car, even if you're a passenger. So if I were you, I would never.
8 priors. 8. At this point, the judge is practically giving him a roadmap to stay out of jail, but will he actually listen? What would you say to someone who just keeps making the same mistake?
Never have a hold of anything that you shouldn't have. If you were driving in a car, I wouldn't even step in it remotely if you have even half of a beer, half a glass of wine, a shot of anything, because the remote smell of anything funny is going to land you back in here. And I'm telling you, what we're doing today will not happen again. From now on, it's a minimum of 90 days in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Don't ever get in a car if you have even a drop of alcohol or anything to smoke, because I'm telling you, you're going to be right back over here. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement today, Mr. Robles, the DWI will go on your record. It's going to be there forever. I'm telling you, anytime you get pulled over, they're going to harass the crap out of you. Don't give them a reason to put you in jail. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do you plead to this offense, sir? It is time served. It's 15 days, credit for 5, so you're not going to have any time. But from now on, it's a minimum of 90 days. It only goes up from there. If you haven't gotten the message with the 8 prior charges, I will bring the pain next time you're here. You understand? You get out there, don't make boneheaded moves, because you come back here, I'm going to light you up. I'm going to suspend your license for 180 days. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it. Thank you, Your Honor.
In Harris County alone, 21 different cases. You pick up and you get life on an engaging case in Montgomery County, and they parole you out. And now you've picked up a theft case and an assault case. How long did you do on that life sentence?
13 years.
So on a life sentence, you do 13 actual years. When did you get out?
November 1st, 2023.
So 6 months later, an assault and a theft case. And you want me to give you a PR bond? You know, when I've got 4 kids, I love my kids to death, right? And when my kids mess up,
21 apologies, 21 mistakes. This moment is powerful. It's like watching a parent at the end of their patience. What do you think? Should repeat offenders get any more chances?
I say, come on, Alex, stop it. Okay, Dad. And he says, okay, I'm not going to do it again. And then he does it again. And then if I don't do anything, what happens? Does it again. And then I found the only way I get through to him, there has to be some kind of consequence. Because what happens if he keeps saying sorry and then does it again? Sorry, does it again. Sorry, does it again. 21 times? Has he gotten it? Mr. Smith, after 21 sorries, has he gotten it? Have you gotten it? Freaking life sentence. And now here, it's a theft of a cell phone, right? Tell me about this. Tell me about the theft.
Those are both out of the same transaction. From what the DIM state is that on June 18th, the officer responded to a residence located at 2555 Grand Canyon Drive in reference to a family disturbance call for service. Complaining witness advised on the date she was with the defendant in a vehicle when defendant saw complaining witness' boyfriend calling her. Complaining witness advised she's in an intimate relationship with the defendant. Complaining witness stated that she was upset with the defendant. Complaining witness advised the defendant took possession of her cell phone and refused to give it back. Stated the defendant dropped her off at a residence and she used her daughter's cell phone to find the location of her cell phone. Complaining witness stated her cell phone was pinging at the residence where the defendant was located at. She arrived and made contact with the defendant through the gated door. Defendant was holding onto the gate while speaking to each other, and as she requested her cell phone back, the complaining witness stated that the defendant refused to give her her cell phone and hit her with an open hand strike to the left side of her face, causing her pain. She said that she did feel pain, but did not want to pursue charges at the time.
Because she wanted a cell phone back. Mr. Smith, should I give you a PR bond? Sorry?
That's your choice, Judge.
If I may.
Sure.
I spoke to the complaining witness and the witness on this matter. They both recanted their statements. The complaining witness has stated, knowing the charges that could be filed against her for falsifying her report to a police officer, she stated that she did lie about the situation that she was being, she just lied about the situation as a whole. I talked to both the witness and complaining witness again, just right now, and they both stated that they,
Do you have a
again,
911 call or anything like that?
that's the only thing we're waiting on. That's why we cannot dismiss this case. We have to do a full evaluation, especially.
I'd like to know if there's a 911 and if they corroborate what initially happened on the day in question, right?
Yes, Judge.
You know, we don't ask for much in Harris County. You know, I don't know about Montgomery County, how they do things, but all we want our streets to be safe. And I would be remiss to think that you were even lucky to be out in the free world when you get a life sentence. You're even lucky to be out. And now you want me to, after I've admonished my kid 21 times, and now you want another PR bond? Ain't gonna happen, dude. At some point, we'll get through to you that it can't just continue like this. But I can't in good conscience give you a PR bond when you are on parole for a life sentence. And now you've picked up these two cases. You know, the sad thing is that your bond really, it's only $100. The only thing that's keeping you in at this point is $100. And I hope at some point, Mr. Smith, you do get it before you do get a life sentence that truly keeps you in for the rest of your life. All right. Thanks. You are Sebastian Ojeda Abreu.
Yes.
Both of you are charged with theft. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you.
On June 25th, 2024, at Walmart, asset protection observed by surveillance video an adult male and adult female acting in concert at the self-checkout register and placing merchandise into shopping bags without scanning them.
I'm sorry, could you go back to the self-checkout? Thank you.
At the self-checkout register, placing merchandise into shopping bags without scanning them.
Thank you.
Thereafter, both suspects passed all points of sale with the merchandise without paying for them. Both defendants were detained and the merchandise recovered totaled $140.27.
Ms. Fernandez and Mr. Ojeda, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. How old are you, ma'am?
19.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
Are you in this country with or without permission, ma'am?
Hable más fuerte. Without permission.
You, Mr. Ojeda,
17.
are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
Are you in this country with or without permission?
¿Con permiso y qué?
Con permiso, señor.
With permission, Your Honor.
What type of permission do you have, sir?
Oh, tengo social,
I have a social.
permiso de trabajo y estoy en
Here's where immigration consequences come into play. For non-citizens, even minor charges can spiral into months in detention. This is where legal knowledge could literally change someone's life.
proceso de asilo.
Work permit, and I'm in the process of an asylum process.
Do you know what happens if you go to jail, Ms. Fernandez?
Fernández. ¿Tienen que hablar?
No.
No.
Are you in this country with or without permission?
Permiso o sin permiso.
¿Con migración?
¿Perdón?
¿Con migración?
With immigration.
We're not here with
Usted no
permission.
está aquí con permiso,
Am I
¿cierto?
correct?
¿Es correcto eso? ¿Usted no está aquí con permiso?
No.
No.
You go to jail
Si usted va a una cárcel,
and immigration finds you
inmigración la encuentra
because they sweep it on a daily basis.
diario,
They will put a detainer on you.
orden de detención.
You will remain in custody until immigration is done with you. Nothing fast happens in immigration. You will sit in custody for a minimum of 6 months,
6 meses.
waiting for the process to play out. Mr. Ojeda, the same thing will happen to you. I don't know what you're telling me. You could be telling me you're Bambi and I wouldn't know any different. And quite frankly, I don't care. But you must be warned that if you go to jail and there's any problem with your paperwork and immigration finds it because they sweep it daily, they will put a detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in jail, both of you, until immigration is done. Nothing fast happens with immigration.
Inmigración.
You understand?
¿Ustedes entienden? Sí, señor o no, señor?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
I'm now putting conditions on your bond. If you violate these conditions, I will put you in jail. The only reason you got out now is because we gave you a free bond. You will not get another one. If you cannot behave yourselves in the free world will be taken away from you. You understand?
¿Ustedes entienden?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
I am now forbidding you from going to any Walmart for any reason whatsoever.
Absoluto.
Do not pick up any new
No
cases.
tenga ningún caso nuevo.
Otherwise, likewise, you will go to jail. Ms. Fernandez, what do you do for a living?
¿Qué se dedica usted? ¿En qué trabaja?
En un restaurante.
At a restaurant.
How much money do you
¿Qué
make?
tanto dinero gana por mes aproximadamente?
300.
¿Por mes?
Ajá.
Around 300.
Do you want to apply for an
¿Quiere
appointment?
solicitar un abogado de oficio?
No.
No.
You need a lawyer to represent
Necesita un
you.
abogado para
This is a theft case, and I'm telling you, not only is a theft case bad for your record, for general purposes, it's a killer for immigration. If you ever want to become a United States citizen, a theft on your record will kill you.
personal.
So I
Espera.
can give you a lawyer today if you like. Your other option is you can go hire one and pay for
Bueno,
one.
que usted puede ir a contratar su propio si eso es lo
Would
que
you
usted
like to
desea.
apply for an appointed lawyer?
Lo que
¿Qué? I'd like one court appointed, please.
Mr. Ojeda,
Juez, lady. Señor Ojeda.
do you want to apply for
Quería solicitar
for
un
your
abogado de
asylum?
oficio para que lo ayude.
Sí.
Yes.
I will give you both lawyers today.
Ustedes-
There's no excuse for you to act up while you are out there. Do not pick up any new cases. If you do not have a license, do not drive.
no manejen.
If I see you back here with new cases, I'm telling you, I'm going to lose it. And it's not going to go well for you.
Va a ir bien a ustedes. ¿Entendieron? Sí, señor o no, señor.
Let me see if I have applications.
Sir.
Okay, do you mind giving them a deputy application so they can fill out for an appointed lawyer? I will now give you both applications. You will need to fill it out. You will also need to go to Victoria, sign a reset, and then we will have you take a seat in the jury box while we find you lawyers. Well, no, you have an open criminal mischief that you've taken off on me 4 different times, a harassment that you've taken off 4 different times, an unlawful carrying of a weapon, that's 5,004, and now you pick up a DWI, and you want me to let you go out of state where I can't monitor you? Really? You want a back rub too?
No, sir. I was on the accident because I have family there. I have better support, and I
No, you are a flight risk, Mr. Colbert, and you don't follow bond conditions. You do what you want to do. And I'm going to tell you now, if you go out there and you take off, the next time I'm going to make your bond quadruple. Do you understand?
sir.
No,
I'm not. I want to still be on my monitor. I want to still be able to do everything. I want to still I can take a drug test right
Need
now.
to
I'm
do-
following all guidelines.
what you need to do is settle your cases here so you can move on with your life. Because these things will trail you forever. I don't know who you hang out with in, where's it, Memphis you want to go?
This is where I'm originally from.
I don't know who you're hanging out with. I don't know what you're doing. I can't keep close tabs on you. So you could be out in the middle of the night. I wouldn't even know. And I can't rein you in at a moment's notice where I can't hear. You have 4 open cases. You repeatedly take off on me. Trust is built in time and with actions, not words.
Yes, sir.
And you have your DWI from June It's not even been a month yet.
So I'm not,
2.5 weeks, and you want me to let you go? No. No. Thank you.
I'm on the verge of being homeless, sir. That's why I want to go back home to Memphis.
There's always a way when you put your heart to it, Mr. Colbert. Just because you tell me you're homeless doesn't mean that I'm going to let you go 15 hours away where I can't stay close to you. You have very serious cases that are dangerous cases. I don't know what you're going to do over there. No. I want you here until we get done with these cases.
I'm trying, Judge. I'm trying to get that ASAP. It's just that.
Understand, the more cases you pick up, the more difficult it makes it for everybody involved. And the more time it takes to get evidence. If you find it difficult now, it's because it takes time to get evidence. You now have 4 open cases, so that quadruples the amount of evidence that John has to get.
This is peak frustration. The judge is laying down the law, and honestly, you can feel why 4 open cases and constant violations. If you were the judge, would you still give him another chance?
Don't blame it on him. It's me. And I'm going to keep you close to here until we're done.
So what am I doing about my living situation?
Well, we're going to talk. And we're going to try to get you
Plenty of places that you can go to around here in Houston if you have nowhere else to go. There are.
So you want me to be homeless and I have a support
Say
system?
that. Don't blame this on me. I mean, you picked up 4 cases, not
trying to
me.
help you. You're not going to win this war.
You're the one that's been a flight risk 4 different times beforehand, not me.
Just let me talk to Marshawn and we'll get him some help. We'll get him all the shelters. We'll get him everything.
The MAC has social services that they can help you with if you need. They can help you with housing, food, clothes. They have social services to help you if you really need it. But I don't want you going to Memphis with 4 open cases.
I don't have any travel restrictions on my thing, so.
I'm telling you now, no. And if you go, it's a direct violation of your bond, and I will issue 4 different warrants, and I'm going to make all of your bonds 20,000 and fine. Do you understand? You are on notice now, and I'm going to make a docket notation because I have so many other cases that I can't remember everything. So that way I can remember everything.